there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video we will learn how to create odd and even numbers in Scala programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and please click the subscribe button to support my channel. Thank you very much in advance. So let's get started. I'm using Visual Code as my text editor, and then we have here some comments in line number 1 and 5. So add underscore even that Scala, yours truly, my website where you can download free source code, and my email address. So right now I'm accepting freelance programming jobs, IT consultancy, tutorials in programming languages, particularly with C, C++, in Java, software testing and technical writing, web development. So you can reach me in my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. My location here in the Philippines, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Now, in line number 7, import Java util scanner is a library file that we'll be using in our Scala program for input-output. Next, line number 9, we have here object add underscore even. So in Java, instead of the object, it is called class. So we have here div main args string unit equals, and then we declare a variable here scanner, encapsulation new, we create a new object that is scanner, and then we have here functions in single line. Dev is even number for checking for even numbers, and then we add numbers in line number 17. From line number 20 to 22, we have here the title of our Scala program, add and even numbers in Scala. So we have here \t. So if you have already a knowledge on C, C++, or even in Java programming, \t means horizontal tab in new line. And then line number 24, we are asking the user to give a number that will be stored in our variable a. Line number 27, new line, and then we have here conditional statement if else in Scala from line number 29 up to line 33. So if is even a, if it is true, the given number $a is even number. Else, if it is false, it becomes odd number. So we have also here end of program from line number 35 up to 37, which informs the user that the program has been ended. And then we have here line 38 and 39, we are closing our object and our main. Now, so let us go to the command prompt in our terminal window in Visual Code. So before we can run any program in Scala, we have to compile. The command to compile is scala, C means compile, and then we have to write add underscore even dot Scala. It is very important to remember that it should have the file name, and then we have to include the extension of our program, that is .scala. Press the enter key. Let us wait. Okay, so we have already here add underscore even dot class. Now to run, we call the Scala interpreter scala add underscore even, and press the enter key to run our program. Okay, it is already running. Add even numbers in Scala, give a number. Let's say we have 12. Press the return key or enter key. The given number 12 is even number. End of program. Let us run again for second time around. Let's say we have here 7. Give a number 7. The given number 7 is odd number. So another run. Let's say we have 17. The given number 17 is odd number. and a program, and then we have 2. The given number 2 is an even number and a program. So that's it. We have already created even numbers in Scala. Thank you very much for watching. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete program listing for free in my website. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, leave a comment, and then please support my channel by subscribing. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.